Morning principal ma'am and teacher. This is Aditya Kumar standing here in front of you. This is project of class 6. I am the team of class 6.
Good morning, principal, ma'am, sir, teachers. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nitish Yadav. I am the operator of this project.
Start.
Good morning, principal ma'am and teachers. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain this project. This is Jyotsna Raja standing here in front of you. As you know that ma'am, these are my teams, and this is the working model of hydropower plant. This is our project based on save energy. So now I am going to explain this project. Hydropower plant generate electricity to which using water in turn to turbine which spins or generate electricity, and water in motion can be used to generate electricity. Thank you.
Priya, now you explain it about hydro plants advantage.
Good morning, principal ma'am and teacher. Thank you for giving me of this opportunity to explain about advantage of hydropower plant. It does not produce carbon dioxide. There is no fuel required. It is renewable and clean. Thank you.
Clap everyone. Yes. Chuti, yeah, you now explain it one by one.
Sir, it is water tank and it is spine, turbine. It is light and it is power station, and it is village, and it is the topic of hydropower plant. And the name of my school R.N.MODERN Public School. Sir, water.
Yes.
Sir, it is water tank, and water fall on a turbine when water when motor move, then motor produce hydroelectricity. Yes, sir, hydroelectricity. When water falls on turbine, and it attached from motor, then it produced hydroelectricity.